Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually update the Instagram app on your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to update Instagram on iPhone in 2022. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually update your Instagram app on iPhone. So you want to basically make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, in order to update it, you would actually need to have a very reliable internet connection. So you open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and simply make sure that you are connected to a very well internet connection. After you've made sure of that, what we can do is, if you are on Android, you're using on Android device, and you can simply open your Google Play Store. Else what you can do is simply open the App Store on your iPhone or your iOS device. At the bottom right, you'll be able to see the search box. Simply tap on the search icon and then go ahead and type in Instagram right over here. Once you type in Instagram, you'll basically be able to see this interface. You can tap on Instagram, and if there is an update button available, you will simply see the update button for iOS users. For Android users also, you'll be able to see the green update button. And in order to update it, what we can do is simply tap on this update button right over here and verify it using your Apple ID password or any type of other credentials such as your iPhone passcode or anything. So we are going to wait until the update has been completed, which is also why I actually asked you to make sure you have a very good and reliable internet connection. So we are going to simply wait until the update process has been completed, and we're going to come back after the update process. So as you can see, we have successfully updated the Instagram app. Now you're being able to see the open button. You could simply tap on the open button and go ahead and log into your account and do something else if you actually wanted it to. This was the way on how you could very easily update your Instagram app on iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.